Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about video captions not showing on YouTube Studio non-issue. For example, as you can see, there is a notification which came yesterday. You can see that there is option available non-issue video captions are not working. So what is this problem and how you can solve that problem if it is occurring in your video while you are uploading video or while you are editing video on YouTube. So how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, and after that you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router and you have to check your internet connection. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on video caption not working non-issue. So after that you will find this kind of interface. See, here is written, "Hi everyone, we are aware that some of you are experiencing issues with captions, including the translated ones. We are working on the fix and we will keep you posted here. Thanks." So here it is written. So many of the persons are having the same issue. As you can see, there is written, "I have the same question," which means many persons are having the same issue, which means they are having the problem which is mentioned here. So if you are having the same problem, then what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and first of all you have to clear the cache of your YouTube Studio or YouTube app if you are using Android. But if you are using iPhone, then you have to simply go to the settings, and after that you have to simply go to general, and after that what you have to do, you have to go to iPhone storage, and here you have to simply offload the app which is having problem, like YouTube is having problem. So you have to offload the app, and moreover if you are having a problem with YouTube Studio, you can simply do that here. But if the problem is still there, then there is also mentioned that you have to wait for some time, because they are working on it and they will try their best that they can fix it as soon as possible. So you have to simply check the notifications of the YouTube Studio, so that if the problem has been solved, if you click on here, then you can simply get the notification about the solution of that problem. So you have to wait for some time so that this kind of error can be solved as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.